Welcome to this tutorial on how to open a case in Etsy. As a buyer or seller on Etsy, it is essential to know how to resolve issues that may arise during a transaction. Opening a case is the first step in resolving a problem with a purchase or sale. To begin, sign in to your Etsy account and go to the shop where you made the purchase. Click on the purchase and then click on the review and review options. If the issue is not resolved, click on the Help with Order option. Next, click on the Still Need Help option and then select the reason for opening the case. You can choose from options such as Item Not Received, Item Not as Described, or other issues. Be specific and clear when describing the issue, as this will help Etsy resolve the problem quickly. After selecting the reason, you will be asked to provide more details about the issue. Make sure to include all relevant information, such as the date of purchase, the price paid, and any communication with the seller. You can also upload photos or other evidence to support your claim. Once you have provided all the necessary information, review your case carefully and submit it to Etsy. Etsy will review your case and work with you and the seller to resolve the issue. As a best practice, make sure to keep all communication with Etsy and the seller in a professional and respectful tone. It is also essential to note that opening a case should be a last resort. Before opening a case, try to resolve the issue with the seller directly through Etsy messages. Many sellers are willing to work with buyers to resolve issues, and this can often lead to a quicker and more satisfactory resolution. In conclusion, opening a case in Etsy is a straightforward process that can help resolve issues with a purchase or sale. By following these steps and providing clear and concise information, you can ensure that your case is handled efficiently and effectively. Remember to always keep records of your communication and to stay patient and professional throughout the process.